In this part 2 video, we'll look at the second half of information displayed on the secure document tracking receipt, which is generated on SecureRunner.com for every single secure file that you send to each individual recipient. We covered the from, sent by, and sent to fields, and now we can look further down. There's information about the file itself, the raw file name, the name of the file that I typed in on the upload screen as I selected it, the size of the file, the optional matter or reference ID that I added. And again, this could be my own internal account number for this recipient if he's a client of mine. The personal message that I attached to the document collection that I sent out. And again, we said that this information is not encrypted or protected in any way, so do not include anything confidential or private. There's also a full tracking history, which includes when the file was sent, when the site contacted the recipient. It'll also eventually show when the recipient clicked on the email, when the recipient downloaded it, and on and on. Everything related to this user's interaction with the file will be tracked in the tracking history. There's also a document authentication number, which is a technical digital fingerprint of the file that was sent. So should there ever be a dispute about what was sent digitally, we can always go back to this document authentication number and verify that it was indeed the file that was meant to be sent. This is a unique fingerprint that cannot be forged in any way unless you have the true identical document in hand. There's also a tracking code that is much like a delivery service tracking code, where you click on it and that will take you to this tracking page. So if anybody ever has a question about knowing the status of their secure document, what is the tracking information, you can simply send them this link and it will take them to this tracking page. This QR code is also a visual representation of this tracking code link, where you can point your cell phone at it and it'll automatically direct your phone's web browser to this tracking page.